In part 2 of Suzy's presentation on achieving a healthy weight, I want to present the second overlooked factor that many clients are unaware of, and which is also often ignored and is essential for helping your clients regain control of their appetite, reduce cravings, and achieve their weight loss goals. If you missed part 1 on the first essential step, make sure you go back and watch this insightful video too. My name is Tao and I am your AI guide, helping to share Suzy's knowledge and insightful wisdom, combining the world of ancient medicine and modern technology. Whilst Suzy, a doctor of traditional Chinese medicine, delves into new depths of healing and harmony, it's my joy to bring her clinic's discoveries right to your doorstep. As we are learning, the journey towards healthy weight loss is not solely a physical endeavour, but a psychological one as well. Emerging research highlights the role of the brain's reward circuitry, distinct from appetite, in mediating unwanted eating behaviours and cravings. One significant player in the regulation of hunger and cravings is the hypothalamus. This small region of the brain plays a crucial role in many important functions, including releasing hormones and regulating vital bodily functions such as temperature, thirst, hunger, sleep, and emotional activity. For example, when you feel hungry or full, it's not just your stomach sending signals, it's also your hypothalamus at work. The hypothalamus helps regulate the body's energy balance by signaling hunger and fullness. It receives and processes signals from the body, including hormone levels and nutrient status, to regulate food intake. Cravings for specific types of food, like sweets, can be linked to the body's effort to quickly restore energy levels. Sweet foods are high in sugar and calories, providing a rapid source of energy. This can lead to a cycle where the body learns to seek out such quick fixes for energy boosts, especially in times of stress or when energy levels are low. So if your hypothalamus isn't working right, you might feel hungry all the time or never feel satisfied after eating. Moreover, the craving for sweet foods can also be linked to the brain's reward system. Consuming sweet foods releases dopamine, a neurotransmitter associated with pleasure and satisfaction. This release can create a powerful reward sensation, encouraging repeated behavior and potentially leading to cravings when the body seeks that reward sensation again. These findings are also supported by new research which suggests that higher-level brain functions have a major role in losing weight. The research found that patients who have overweight or obesity unwanted eating behaviours may be mediated by reward circuitry in the brain, the neural pathway that differs from appetite and is implicated in other addictive behaviours. In the study among 24 participants at a weight loss clinic, those who achieved greatest success in terms of weight loss demonstrated more activity in the brain regions of the lateral prefrontal cortex associated with self-control. It was found that with certain medication, they were able to damp the reward circuitry that mediates craving. The presenter of the research also noted that the hunger system is thought to be driven primarily by the hypothalamus. So how does Suzy combat this familiar issue in her clinic? As part of her treatment program, she uses the SP6 system, which stands for the simple plan with 6 easy steps for weight loss. It is a completely new approach for weight loss. The unique SP6 system targets how you gain weight by reducing the cravings that cause you to overeat and gives you the appetite control to be satisfied with normal meals and not desire unhealthy snacks, and helps you understand how to make weight loss last a lifetime. The 6 steps in the SP6 system are: Step 1. Use the SP6 Appetite Control Patch to help reduce cravings. Step 2. Detoxify. Step 3. Eliminate excess sugar and improve your nutrition. Step 4. Proper hydration. Step 5. Exercise and move your body. Step 6. Reward yourself each week for a job well done. In this video, I am going to dive deeper into Step 1 and introduce you to the SP6 Appetite Control Patch. As we are learning, controlling sugar cravings is a crucial component of effective weight loss plans for several reasons. First, foods high in sugar are typically also high in calories but low in nutritional value. Consuming these foods can lead to excess caloric intake without satisfying hunger, which can result in weight gain. Moreover, high sugar intake often leads to spikes in blood glucose levels, followed by sharp declines, which can cause energy crashes and increase hunger. These fluctuations can create a cycle of cravings and overeating, making it difficult to maintain a healthy caloric deficit. Additionally, sugar stimulates the release of insulin, a hormone that promotes fat storage in the body. High insulin levels driven by frequent consumption of sugary foods can make it harder for the body to access and burn stored fat. Therefore, by reducing sugar intake and controlling cravings, insulin levels can stabilize, facilitating a more effective fat-burning process and promoting weight loss. To overcome this problem, Suzy's clients use the SP6 patch, which works by regulating appetite and reducing cravings through its action on the brain's reward circuitry and neural pathways related to hunger and addiction. Clinical studies on the function of the SP6 patch have demonstrated that SP6 patches worn daily over a period of 1 week produced a highly significant improvement in physiologic functional status of the liver, pancreas, right and left kidneys, with an average statistical power greater than 97% and a very significant improvement in the functional status of the thyroid, intestines and hypothalamus, with an average power greater than 87%, and a significant improvement in the adrenal glands, with an average statistical power greater than 75%. What this means is by improving the functional status of key metabolic organs like the liver, pancreas, kidneys, thyroid, intestines, hypothalamus, and adrenal glands, the SP6 patch may play a significant role in enhancing metabolic health and weight management. For example, the liver plays a crucial role in metabolizing fats, carbohydrates, and proteins, while the pancreas regulates blood sugar levels through insulin production. Improvements in the function of these organs can enhance metabolic efficiency, potentially leading to more effective fat metabolism and improved glucose regulation, which are essential for weight loss. The kidneys also help regulate fluid and electrolyte balance and filter waste products. Better kidney function can improve overall metabolism and body detoxification processes, contributing to a healthier weight loss process. And the thyroid regulates metabolism, the intestines are involved in nutrient absorption and digestion, and the hypothalamus controls appetite and satiety signals. Enhancements in the functions of these organs can lead to a more active metabolism, efficient digestion, and better appetite control, all of which are beneficial for managing body weight. And finally, the adrenal glands produce hormones that influence metabolism and stress response. Improved adrenal function can help manage cortisol levels, which when elevated can lead to weight gain, especially in the abdominal area. So how does the SP6 patch work? The patch, which resembles a round band-aid, is placed on specific acupuncture points on the body. Our bodies naturally emit light in the infrared spectrum. This type of light is invisible to the human eye, but can be detected with specialized tools like thermal imaging cameras. The patch contains crystalline formations that interact with the infrared light emitted by the body. This interaction triggers the patch to reflect specific wavelengths of light back into the body. These reflected light wavelengths act as signals that induce positive biochemical changes in the cells. Take a look at the following image. It dramatizes what is happening when you put a patch near your body. The red light you see on the arm is a visible representation of an invisible process. This technique, steeped in a century of science, harnesses the healing power of light therapy, otherwise known as phototherapy, to rejuvenate the body, and can be utilized to address many of the health concerns that we face today. This is a similar process to when your skin is exposed to sunlight, specifically the UVB rays, which triggers a chemical process that leads to the production of vitamin D within the body. The acupuncture points that are selected include stomach, 36, and spleen 6. Stomach 36 is found on the front of the leg, just below the knee. The name of the point is Zhu San Li in Pinyin. Translation: leg 3 mile. Named so because, according to legend, you can press on this point and you'll be able to walk or run 3 more miles. It is a key point for harmonizing the stomach and improving the function of the digestive system. Stimulating this point is believed to boost overall energy, support better digestion, and regulate hunger signals, thus helping to control appetite and prevent overeating. The second point that is often utilized is spleen 6. Spleen 6, Sanyin Jiao, is an important acupuncture point for addressing issues related to digestion, spleen health, and cravings. According to traditional Chinese medicine, the spleen plays a crucial role in the digestion and assimilation of nutrients. It transforms food into energy or the qi and blood, which are vital for overall health. Stimulating spleen 6 can help enhance the spleen's function, thereby improving digestion and alleviating symptoms such as bloating, indigestion, and fatigue after eating. Cravings, especially for sweets or excessive food, can be a sign of an imbalance in the spleen's energy in Chinese medicine. By improving the health of the spleen and its ability to manage nutrients and body fluids, stimulating spleen 6 may help reduce cravings and support better eating habits. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals trying to manage their weight or those who experience unstable blood sugar levels. Overall, spleen 6 is a versatile acupuncture point that is used not just for enhancing digestive health and regulating internal processes related to the spleen and digestion, but also reproductive and urinary health, which we will cover in later videos. As you can see, integrating strategies like the SP6 patch, which is designed to regulate appetite and curb cravings, can be transformative. By acting on neural pathways involved in addiction and hunger, the SP6 patch supports a balanced approach to weight management, tackling both physiological and psychological aspects of weight loss. To support clients on their weight loss journey, Suzy recommends starting with the following protocol: SP6 on spleen 6, Eon on governing vessel 14, and energy enhancer patches on stomach 36. Generally, each patch is worn for 12 hours. For example, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m., and a new patch is applied each day. It is recommended that you wear your patches 5 days per week with a 2 days rest period. Then repeat the process for 30 days. If you are new to using the patches, make sure you take advantage of the 30 or 90-day money-back guarantee depending on how you order. I hope you found our presentation enlightening and inspiring. If you're interested in ordering the patches we presented, simply click on the link below, or get back to the practitioner or brand partner who referred you to this video. In our next video, we will explore why we include the energy enhancer patches into our client protocols. Your journey towards better health and well-being starts here. And if you'd like me to connect you with Suzy for more insights or join our incredible community of practitioners, feel free to leave a comment or email Suzy at suzy@blossomtoblooming.com. Don't miss out on future updates and exclusive content. Remember to click the subscribe button now. By subscribing, you're not just joining a community. You're taking the first step towards taking your health back into your own hands. Let's embark on this exciting journey together.